Okay, this show is off to a pretty great start. And also Apple have announced and released the iPhone XR. The overpriced phone which has been covered by the serious amount of colors that they've added to it. In this episode I'm going to be talking about everything regarding the iPhone XR in under 2 minutes. Roll in the intro. Hey, it's AKAJK, the host of the JK Tech Show. This is season 1, episode 3 right now. Before I start, I'd just like to say make sure you follow me on all social medias at AKAJKYT. And yeah, Apple have released a bunch of devices. In this episode, they're going to be covering the iPhone XR. And all in under 2 minutes, just so you can get all the key points without me wasting a bunch of your time. And the clips that you're about to see have come from episode 3 of the JK Tech News podcast. Links in the description to see the full episode. And let's go. Now, the R starts at $749. So what is instantly recognizable and what pops out about the R is the variety of colors that you can get it in. Now, this is why we predicted it was going to be called the C, is because references to the iPhone 5C, which came in a bunch of different colors. And to be specific, the 6 colors that this iPhone does come in are white, black, blue, coral, yellow, and product red. And I made sure I counted so I can know all of them. Now, this device comes with a 6.1-inch Liquid Retina LCD display, so the kind of disappointing resolution that this device does come in is 1792 by 828. And in terms of the water resistance, it comes with an IP67 rating, not a 68 like the iPhone X and this new 2018 iPhone X lineup. An IP67 is sort of water resistance and not like waterproof. Also, on all the new iPhone cameras, they have this new Smart HDR feature, which just allows you to have a higher dynamic range. Now, the feature that really surprised me and what I really liked was the bokeh control. Now, let's say you've taken a photo with Apple's upgraded portrait mode. This is the actual aperture, according to them, and as far as we know, that's what it is. So for me, being a photographer and a filmmaker and a YouTuber and all that kind of jazz, definitely very useful. Now, the camera can film at a higher ISO with lower grain. Obviously, we can't let the ISO on this. Essentially, it means in low light, your camera's going to shoot better. And now onto the specifications that everyone judges the camera by. It is 12 megapixels. It can shoot in 4K at 60 frames per second. The wide-angle rear lens has an aperture of f1.8. The sensor is 2 times faster than the last one. And it comes with optical image stabilization, so when you're filming, the camera's not shaking everywhere. The front camera is 7 megapixels, shoots in 1080p HD at 60 frames per second, and has an aperture of f2.2. Now, if you're looking to pick up the R, the storage options that it does come with are 64, 128, and 256. Another cup of coffee down, and yeah, that should have given you all the information about the iPhone XR, in case you want to buy it, or if you want to argue with your friends about which iPhone is the best. Well, now you've got the information and the weapon to do so. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and if you did, go ahead and smash that like button. If you share this video, it'll be extremely helpful. Comment down below if you think of getting the iPhone XR, and one of the comments should be featured in a future episode. Subscribe to see more crispy content from me every single morning at 6 AM, or 2 AM GMT right now. It's a bunch of jazz, we're moving. Yeah, I'm at AKJKYT on all social medias. IGTV is a platform that I'm big on right now. I'm posting daily there. I hope we'll meet again tomorrow morning, because here at AKJK, the grind is daily.